Still struggling with the R sound? Curious about the staRt app? You're in exactly the right place. I'm guessing you're here to figure out how to finally install the staRt app, but if you've missed the previous video, no biggie. It's linked below, and that video will tell you everything you need to know about what the staRt app is. And why I'm totally obsessed with it. Still here? Excellent. I'm Lindsey Hockel, SLP and founder of Rock the R, and I've teamed up with the awesome team behind the staRt app to bring you this tutorial series so that everybody can learn how to use this app. This is video 2 of the series, and we're going to talk about how to download and set up the app. Let's do this. First things first, there are 2 places you can get access to the staRt app as of the recording of this video. One of your options is a website, www.bitslabstart.com, and the other is an app only for iPad available in the iOS App Store. Today, we're really focusing on the iPad app since there's a little bit more download instructions. And please note, I do mean iPad app. You cannot use it on any other tablet. You cannot use it on iPhone. To find it, pick up your iPad and go to the iOS App Store. You're going to type into the search BitslabStart. You'll know it's the right one when you see this cute little starfish. Once you've downloaded the app, you're going to create a profile for whoever is going to be targeting the R sound. The app will ask you to put information in about their height and their age, things like that. This is going to help the app calibrate to their vocal tract, so it knows where to put the marker for our R sound, and I'll show you more about that in a minute. You can input as many profiles as you need, so if you're working with multiple students, each one will have their own space to track progress. I also have a profile set up for myself for when I'm doing demonstrations, so for right now, you could just set that up. Now let's take a quick tour of the menu on the left side of the app. First up is the tutorial. This is a great place to start. It will orient everyone to what the app is and what it does. Next up is free play. This is the wave all by itself. It's perfect for checking how close you're getting to a good R anytime you need. It's also really wonderful to use at the beginning of every session. That way you can get that perfect motor plan in place before you continue on with your practice. Quest mode is where the structured practice is. You pick a target and the app will adjust difficulty based on your performance. So cool, right? Quiz mode is great for tracking progress over time. You'll get data on how things are improving, and it's a big time saver. The resources page is where you can find tips, research, and all kinds of information about eliciting the R sound. It's basically the treasure chest of all the good stuff. That's it for setup. You're in, you're oriented, you're ready. You're gonna love how this fits into your speech therapy sessions and your home practice. In the next video, I will break down everything to look for with the wave itself, how to tell whenever you're getting close to a good R, and how to make the most of what you're seeing on the screen. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in video 3.